So I want to thank everybody. We are all here for the love of Carvin. My story about 2.5 years ago, Carvin called me up on stage to sing with him. It's like, what? So I've sung with him a couple times since. He gave me a lot of confidence and inspiration. It led me down a pretty amazing path. I then came across Kevin McCoy, who is my music partner and my music director. And we are just so happy to be here celebrating Carvin and contributing to this event. So the first song we're going to do is by a woman named Sista Monica Parker, who you may not have heard of, but you should check into. And it actually describes Carvin pretty well because it's called A Fierce Force of Nature. I'm a fierce force of nature. Honey, don't you count me out. Don't you take my love for granted. Like a lion I roar and shout. You mess with me and I'll take it by the collar. Make you jump up and scream and dance. Your hands, you wanna holler. Wipe the sweat from your face if you can. Cause I'm a fierce force of nature. I rock and roll. I'm a fierce force of nature. Clap your hands, get up on your feet. I'm a fierce force of nature. And if I don't believe the hype, everybody's smiling in my face, trying to stab me with a knife. They messed with me and I took them by the collar, made them jump up and scream and dance. And they wanna holler. Wipe the sweat from your face if you can. Cause I'm a fierce force of nature. I rock and roll with the funk. I'm a fierce force of nature. Clap your hands, get up on your feet. I'm a fierce force of nature. I've never been the salt of the earth. I'm a fierce force of nature. God's gift is a woman's worth. You mess with me and I'll take you by the collar, make you jump up and scream and dance. And you wanna holler and wipe the sweat from your face with your hand.